go again, grade 4 superstars. We're going to look at continents in geography. Right, grade 4s, our world is actually like a ball, and the map of the world is drawn on this ball. We call this a globe. Now, globes can be difficult because you cannot see a country on the opposite side. So we have to turn the globe and turn the globe. But what would happen if you want to see all the countries at the same time? Haha, solution. We pretend to cut the globe down the middle and open it up wide. We get a map of the world that looks like this. It's a large world map. Now, millions of years ago, all the land was together, and over time, these land masses have drifted apart, and that's how we get continents. Right, we call these large pieces of land continents. Now, if you look in your textbook at page 46, you will be able to clearly see the continents. My world map has got the countries in different colors, but in your textbooks, it clearly shows the continents. Now, look in your textbooks and see if you can find North America, the continent of North America, up there. Just beneath it, if you go south, you get South America. Right. Awesome soccer players come from there. If we travel across the sea, we come to our continent, Africa. We go north, up from Africa, up, we fly, we get to the continent of Europe, hidden under my flashcards. If we travel that way, we are going to get to the continent of Asia. We come down and we have Australia, New Zealand, and a couple of islands and areas over here. Together, they make up Australasia. And then we get a continent right at the bottom of our globe. It's a frozen continent. No polar bears there. Penguins, yes. But right at the bottom, we get the continent of Antarctica. All right, so now you know your 7 continents. Some continents are stuck together. Europe and Asia, there's no defining line between them. North America and South America, there's a little strip of land over there. Africa, and that way to Asia. Here, the continents are totally independent. And Antarctica. Now, you also need to know your oceans. 3 big oceans. Our biggest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. Grade 4s, and you're going to say, Mrs. Arpenshaw, that says Pacific and that says Pacific. Are there 2 Pacific Oceans? No, grade 4s. The Pacific Ocean is our largest ocean, and it goes right around there. But don't forget, if we had to cut it and open this up, you would get Pacific Ocean here, Pacific Ocean there, and it would go around and meet. So the largest ocean, the Pacific Ocean. It also has some of the deepest depths of any ocean. Then, on this side, there's India. We have an ocean that goes up here. That's known as the Indian Ocean. It's on our east coast. On this side, coming up here, we have the Atlantic Ocean. Right, boys and girls, you got that. Pacific, okay? The Atlantic Ocean that goes up along our west coast, our Indian Ocean on our east coast. Right, practice naming the 7 continents. Write them down in your book. Write down the 3 large oceans as well. Don't forget, date at the top, heading, continents and oceans. The 7 continents are, and list them for me. The 3 large oceans are, and list them for me. Spell correctly and write neatly. You can do this, grade 4s.